Okay. Let us continue now our topic about theorems of the special type of parallelogram. Okay? So punta na tayo sa theorem 2.2 and corollary 2. Okay? Now, in theorem 2.2, it states that if the parallelogram is a rectangle, then the diagonals of a parallelogram are congruent. Okay? Sabi dito, kung yung parallelogram is rectangle, okay, the diagonals of the parallelogram should be equal. Or congruent. Okay? Now, example here. In a figure, now we have two diagonals. We have AC and BD. And one of the properties of a rectangle is that the diagonals are congruent. Now, if AC is equal to 14, what is your BD? AC daw equal to 14 and BD is what is BD? Okay? Again, sabi dun sa property and also here in the theorem na diagonals are congruent, therefore AC is congruent to BD. And if they are congruent, they are equal. Now, if your AC is 14, then your BD is also 14. Okay? Ganun lang. Next example. Here, if your AC here is 2x plus 9 and BD is 17, what is x? Actually, your AC, kung yung BD mo dyan is 17, therefore automatic your AC is 17. But ang hahanapin natin dito is yung x. Ano yung x natin? To make AC equal to 17. Again, AC is congruent to BD and they are equal. No? Kung congruent followed by equal sign yan. Automatic. Now, your AC is 2x plus 9 and your BD is 17. Find x. No? To find, now we will substitute 9 to the other side. We have 2x equal to 17 minus 9. 17 minus 9 is equal to 8. No? Then divide both sides by 2. Cancel this out. Your x is equal to 8 divided by 2. We have 4. Okay? Next. Corollary number 2, no? If the parallelogram is a square, then the diagonals of a parallelogram are also congruent, no? Kung yung given parallelogram is square, automatic yung diagonals niya are also equal, no? Tulad dun sa rectangle. Now, here, example, since your AC and BD are the diagonals of square ABCD, if your BD is 25, what is your AC? Again, following the property, AC is congruent to BD and AC is equal to BD. Substitute your BD to 25. Therefore, your AC is also equal to 25. Okay? Next. Okay, ito medyo in-upgrade natin yung problem, no? If AC here, now given the figure above, if AC is 5y minus 12 and BD is equal to y plus 16, what is AC? Okay? No? Now, following the property of a square, no, the diagonals are congruent and they are equal, no? Substitute natin. We have 5y minus 12 equal to your BD is y plus 16. Okay, para mahanap natin yung length ni AC, okay, ang unang hahanapin natin is yung value ni y. To find it, no, we will solve, no, by doing this type of method, no. Now, we have 5y here minus 12 equal to y plus 16. Transpose y to the other side. Then we have 5y minus y. Transpose negative 12 to the other side. We have 16 plus 12. 5y minus y is equal to 4y. 16 plus 12 is equal to 28. Divide both sides by 4. Cancel this out. Then we have y is equal to 28 divided by 4. 28 divided by 4. That is equal to 7. Okay? So, nakuha na natin si y dito. Now, find your AC. Okay? Substitute your y to 7. No? From 5y minus 12, we have 5 times 7 minus 12. 12. Excuse me. 5 times 7 is 35. Minus 12 is equal to 23. Your AC is 23. What is your BD? Also 23. They are equal eh. Now, exercise tayo. Given the rectangle dice, find, okay, the following, no? If DC, ito yun. If DC is equal to 6y minus 8 and EI, kasi yung diagonals natin dito are DC and EI. If your DC is 6y minus 8 and your EI is 28, what is your Y? Okay? Again, they are congruent because doon sa property, diagonals are congruent, no, followed by equal, then your DC is 6y minus 8, your EI is 28. No? Solve for y. Transpose negative 8 to the other side. We have 6y plus 28 plus 8 is equal to 36. Divide both sides by 6. Cancel this out. Then we have y equal to 36 divided by 6 is 6. So your y is 6. Okay? Next, if DC is equal to 3x plus 7 and EI is equal to 2x plus 9, find your x. Okay, here. Again, DC is congruent to EI and also equal. Substitute your DC to 3x plus 7 and your EI to 2x plus 9. Hanapin muna natin si x dito. Transpose 2x to the other side, then you have 3x minus 2x. Transpose 7 to the other side, we have 9 minus 7. 3x minus 2x is x, then 9 minus 7 is 2. So your x is 2. Okay? Now, punta tayo kay square, no? Given the square dice, no? If DC is 4y minus 1 and EI is 15, find your y. Okay? Substitute DC congruent to EI and also equal, no? 4y minus 1 equal to 15. Transpose negative 1 to the other side. We have 4y equal to 15 plus 1 is 16. Then divide both sides by 4. Cancel this out. Then we have y equal to 16 divided by 4 is 4. So your y is 4. Okay? Next, if DC is 34, find EI. Again, DC and EI are congruent and DC and EI are equal. If your DC is 34, therefore your EI is also 34. Okay? That's it. Thank you for listening. And again, do not forget to answer your exercises. Okay? That's all. Goodbye and God bless.